ASY BSc Sem 1 Practical 1. Name of the practical title, that is fitting of negative binomial distribution and computation of expected frequencies. Example given: fit a negative binomial distribution to the given below on number of demands per day of a commodity. Also find expected frequencies. Number of demand per day: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of days: 47, 50, 23, 14, 10 and 6. Solution: let x be number of demand per day. Here x follows negative binomial parameter with k and p. The PMF of negative binomial Kp is p of x equals to x, small x, and this is x plus k minus 1 cx p raised to k q raised to x. X equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. And q is less than p is less than 1 if q is equal to 1 minus p, we know. Then k is greater than 0, mean is equal to x bar is equals to kq divided by p, and variance is equals to sigma square, we know. That is equals to variance kq divided by p square. Here we need to estimate k and p. The stepwise procedure is as follows. In step 1 we have given find x bar and sigma square from the given data. Step 2, estimate the parameter k and p. Then p cap is equals to x bar divided by sigma square, and k cap is equals to x bar into q divided by p. Then step 3, compute p of x equals to x, that is x equals to 0 is equal to p raised to k by putting x is equals to 0 in PMF of negative binomial parameter k and p. Step 4, using the recurrence relation. The recurrence relation is p of x plus 1 is equal to x plus k divided by x plus 1 into q into p of x. Then find the remaining probabilities. Find the remaining probabilities. Then step 5, find the expected frequencies n into p of x, where n is the total frequencies. We prepare the following table for computation. Table number: column 1, 2, column 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So first column we have given observations 0 to up to 6. Then second column, observed frequencies 47, 50, 23, 14, 10, 6, 0. Then additions of this is 150. Then column 3, fx means multiplication of these both column, means 0 multiplies by 47 is 0, 1 into 50 is 50, multiplication of this both is right in this column. Okay, and then additions of this column is 208. Now make the square, means x square into this f. Okay, 0. Then 1 square 50, 2 square 4 into 23 is 92, 3 square into 14 is equals to 26. Such way we find the fx square. Okay, now here we find mean. Summation, formula of mean is summation fx upon summation f is equals to 208 divided by 150, and 1 point answer we get 1.3867. Sigma square, this is variance, and formula of variance is summation fx square divided by summation f minus x bar square, and we put the value, we get this answer. Okay, then we find p cap. We need for p cap x bar and sigma square. So again we put these values. Here we get this answer. Then find q cap. Q cap is equal to 1 minus p cap. We get this answer. Then k cap is equals to x bar into p cap divided by q is equals to, putting these values, we get 3.5354. Okay, then p of x is equal to p raised to k and 0, p values of p 0.7183 we get, and raised to 3.5359 we get 0.3104. So we find again this column, means recurrence relation column. For that we find here q value. Okay, then x, if we put x first time 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4 and so on, and q value is fixed for all these values. Okay, then last sixth column is p of x column. Okay, p of x column we find such a way. Here we write here p of x equals to 0, then p raised to k. In PMA formula we always put in that formula. So all values becomes 1 and 0. So p raised to k, we get this value. This is the first value of p of x. If we multiply this value into this value, we get this value. Okay, again multiply this value into this value, we get this value. Again multiply this value into this value, we get this value. Okay, in such manner we can find the column of p of x. Then the last column we find n into p of x. N is the total frequency, that is 150. 150 multiplied by this, we get this. 150 multiplied by this, we get this. Okay, 150 multiplied by this, we get this. Okay, such a way we get all the values of last column, column number 7. Okay, then additions, make the additions of this column, that is 150. Okay, 150 means our summation f, means total frequency is also 150, and our last column answer is 150. There the based, we can say that the fit is based. Okay, we have given this how to find. You can take a screenshot